And the second one in the present tense is present continuous tense. It is also called present progressive tense, and it is also called present imperfect tense. And the structure of a sentence in present continuous tense is subject plus am, is, are plus verb 1 plus ing form. So here the helping verbs am, is, are used, and am is used with only the first person singular I, is used with third person singulars he, she, it, and are is used with all the plural subjects. And for example, if you see them in the examples, I am playing, we are playing, you are playing, you are playing, he is playing, she is playing, they are playing. So this is the basic structure of a sentence in present continuous tense. And now when this particular tense is used, so this particular tense is used for all ongoing actions in the present tense. For example, the actions which are taking place at the time of speaking. So for such kind of activities we use present continuous tense, and there are certain keywords. These words help us to use this sentence in an effective manner. They are now, right now, at this moment, at present, at this instant, listen, look, see here, don't disturb, till. These are all the different words which will help us to use this particular tense in a better manner. And let us see some examples how this particular tense is used. I am watching TV now. So now I am doing it, right? So this is in present continuous tense. Right now we are listening to the music. So right now, at present it is happening. So we are listening to the music. So it is in present continuous tense. Look, she is dancing. So look means you have to look, she is presently dancing. So it is in present continuous tense. Don't disturb, he is studying. Activity is going on. Studying is going on. Listen, the children are shouting. So shouting, they are now shouting. So present continuous tense is used to talk about all ongoing actions, the actions which are happening at the time of speaking. The structure is very simple. It has a subject am, is, are plus verb 1 plus ing form.